Every year, thousands of students stand at a crossroads. The choices they make now will define their futures. Now imagine access to this entire world of opportunity under one roof. For over 2 decades, the Dawn Education Expo has been guiding students toward their next big step. Meet representatives from top universities across the globe. Get expert advice on scholarships and explore degrees shaping tomorrow. From AI and gaming to biotechnology and the degrees shaping tomorrow's world. Join the Future Forum for inspiring talks and workshops on innovation, technology, and turning ambition into action. Plus, free career clinics, one-on-one counseling, and everything you need to plan your next move. This November, step into a universe of possibilities and take the first step toward your future. Mark your calendars. The 21st Dawn Education Expo. Karachi, November 15th to 16th. Islamabad, November 20th. Lahore, November 22nd and November 23rd. Visit educationexpo.dawn.com or follow at Dawn Education Expo for details. Your universe awaits. Don't miss liftoff.